and today we're doing another magical pony Play-Doh puzzle. So let's review. We have done the main 6.
And we have done Princess Luna and Princess Celestia.
We've even done one of the cutie Mark Crusaders.
Who could it be this time?
We've had a bunch of suggestions from our viewers. One nice commenter suggested we do Granny Smith.
Well, I like Granny Smith, but there's no apple trees in this picture yet. So it's probably not her.
It looks like there's some grass for the pony to stand on.
And there's some sky. Hey, this is not making the shape of a pony.
Yeah, I don't see a pony outline like we usually do.
Wait a minute, it seems like there's 2 pony shapes in here.
I wonder who these ponies could be because it's definitely 2.
Maybe she's Pinkie Pie. She's pink.
Well, I'm not sure because, first of all, we already did Pinkie Pie, and we have a colorful tail here. Pinkie Pie doesn't have that color hair. Let's think about the ponies who have that color hair.
Who has yellow, pink, and purple hair?
Here's a leg. Looks like the pink pony is bigger than the purple pony. They both look pretty young.
Maybe they're a character that we already know, but they're younger. I like these blue bows. Maybe that's a young pony with their babysitter. Hey, that pink stripe and that dark blue hair tells me who it is. Can you figure out who it is? Tell us in the comments.
Look at this curl in her hair.
Okay, here comes the body.
I think it might be a princess, just younger.
Here's another leg. We have a purple body and a pink body. I think I know who that bigger pony is now.
There's her cutie mark.
And the cutie mark's a heart, and we know who it belongs to.
It belongs to Princess Cadence.
So that must be Princess Cadence when she was a little younger.
There's Princess Cadence's wing.
And that's Twilight Sparkle. She doesn't have her cutie mark yet. There's Twilight's eye.
I've got Cadence's eye.
Look at her eye, it's so big and round.
Look at these beautiful eyelashes. Twilight's so cute.
They're both cute.
Here's Cadence's sword.
Wait, what are these?
I thought that the ponies were finished.
Hey, I think I know what they are now. I think they're Christmas hats.
I think you're right.
Let's put the pom-poms on.
Oh my gosh, 2 Christmas ponies.
They're so cute.
And look at those warm Christmas hats they have on. They look like they could be elf ponies.
They could be Santa's reindeer too.
Maybe they're gonna take over in case one of the reindeer gets sick. But I don't know how Twilight could do that because she doesn't have wings.
Yeah.
And her magic, she can't control her magic too well. Twilight could sit in the sleigh and help Santa deliver the presents. Maybe just for Ponyville. The humans would
just have the elves help.
Yeah. And then the ponies would help the pony Santa Claus with the pony presents.
The pony claws.
Pony Claus. Elise, what are your favorite details?
The Christmas hat, her colorful hair, and the bow in it, and the cutie mark. And I like that she has big round eyes because you can see it, and it's cute when you have giant eyes.
My favorite details are the cute little Christmas hats too. Those balls are just like the balls on our hats.
Oh yeah, see?
Poof. And I just love Twilight as a little pony. And she doesn't have her cutie mark yet. And she can barely use her magic because she doesn't know how. So she can barely even turn a page of her book.
Because, you know, she reads a lot of books.
Yeah. She has a library as a house.
Yeah. Let's get it back onto the food.
Look at what the green screen's doing to our pony puzzle.
The grass turned to falling snow.
Let's try to fix that.
When they're upside down, it looks like they're standing on their heads on ice. But that looks uncomfortable.
Let's try something else.
What? That's not right. That's totally not right. Now this is getting a little crazy. We better try something else.
No, now it looks like they're flying in space, and look at what happened to their hats. It looks like there's a pom-pom floating around.
They don't even have space helmets.
We've got to fix this.
Oh, we definitely have to fix this. Well, at least the snow is in the right place.
But it looks like their hats are see-through.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like.
Tell us what you think.
And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.